guys, my name is Ellen and today we will talk about the 5 sounds of T. You heard me correctly. We have 5 sounds of T and this video will help you to pronounce the words with T correctly. So stay tuned. There are 5 sounds of T, namely the real T sound, the flap T sound, the silent T, T as in hard N, and the stop T. Let's get to know more about them. The regular T sound or the real T sound is usually used when the letter T is at the beginning of the word or if it is with a cluster consonant. For example, table, talk. So, letter T is at the beginning of the word. So, you will pronounce letter T as a regular T sound. Table, talk. Or if it is with a cluster consonant, ST, RT, TS, CT, for example, the word star. For example, star, test, start. So as you can see, if letter T is in a cluster consonant, for example, ST, RT, CT, or TS, then you will pronounce letter T as a regular T sound. Now let's go to flap T sound. It is called flap T or flap D is because the tongue reaches the roof of the mouth quickly. That's why it's called flap. Okay, flap T sound is when letter T is between vowel letters A, E, I, O, U, and also Y. Also, flap T sound is used when the word has the double T. For example, better, matter. And if this is between vowel letters, for example, ability, university, water. So as you can see, letter T is in the middle of vowel sounds. So you will pronounce it as a flap T sound. Again, if the word has double T, better, so it's a flap T sound. If it is in the middle of vowel sound or vowel letters, for example, computer, it is a flap T sound. Can we just cut? Cut. Flap T sound also applies when letter T is at the end of the word and is followed by a vowel sound. For example, put it on. Put it on. Instead of saying put it on, you say put it on. Another one is what is that? Instead of saying what is that, you say what is that? Now let's talk about the silent T. You may be very curious, what is this? So silent T is actually used when T comes after letter N. So for example, internet, 20, printer, interstate. So letter T comes after letter N, and if this happens, we will put letter T into silent mode. Now let's talk about T as a hard N. This usually happens when letter T is before letter N. So we will stop the sound of letter T, so it becomes silent and turns into a hard N. And always remember, so the last N also should be stronger compared to the N or to the hard N. For example, mountain. Instead of saying mountain, you say mountain. Mountain. Another example, fountain. Written. Written. Forgotten. Importance. This rule is actually hard to pronounce, but you will get used to it. Can you think of words with the hard N sound? Now let's go to the T as a stop T. This is very easy. Stop T usually happens when letter T is at the end of the word. For example, hat, cat, mat. Just make sure that the next word isn't a vowel sound. Okay, that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button if you like today's video, so we will make more. And I hope that you had fun with me. And my name again is Ellen. I'll see you soon. Bye!